In sports, the West Indies limited overs team is now without a captain after Kieron Pollard announced his retirement from international cricket on Wednesday. Pollard was a member of the 2012 West Indies team, which won the ICC T20 Men's World Cup when they defeated Sri Lanka. Pollard made his international debut for West Indies during the 2007 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup and played 123 ODIs. He made 2,706 runs with a top score of 119 against India in Chennai in 2011. He also took 55 wickets. Pollard played 101 T20 matches after making his debut in 2008 and scored 1,569 with a top score of 75 not out against New Zealand in Auckland in 2020. And took 42 wickets, with best figures of 4 for 25 against Ireland and Warner Park, that is, in St. Kitts in 2020. In his social media post on Wednesday, Pollard did not give specifics as to the reason for his retirement from international cricket. Cricket West Indies on Wednesday afternoon lauded him for his outstanding service as a player and captain of the regional side. CWI, which said Pollard had formally communicated the retirement news before making the farewell announcement on social media, added that it respected his decision. President of CWI, Ricky Skerritt, noted in a statement, quote, "We respect his decision to retire from international cricket and are especially grateful for the high quality of leadership and commitment he invested in both West Indies teams since his appointment as our white ball captain in September 2019. We wish him continued success in his career." End quote.